Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Alright, now we're going to get into a quick update here in Leadsleap. I've been in this now for just under a month, or right about a month, and here's my results so far from it. Alright, now first we're going to go to the followers. Alright, so I got 5 followers under me, and then 2 of them on my level 2, and I have spillover 11 followers here. All right, and I've been making some YouTube videos about it, and excuse me, sorry about that. And then I have a pro member. Well, he upgraded the pro. All right, now with the pro membership, you do get a 50% commission. And then I'll show you that right now. Let's see, affiliate commissions. All right, and that was as of yesterday, and that's pending. They did go ahead and upgrade. So, all right, now I'm gonna show you how you get free leads and sales to your business. All right, for free members, you just click on, if you don't have any money to get started, you just click on post credit ads free. All right, and then you're gonna add a new ad. All right, and then you're gonna put this, put your URL and a title, text, and then you have to download an image. All right, and pick the best category for your ad. And optional, you could put a link to your social review as well. Also, you could add a blog as well. Not to this, but overall, this program allows you to post your blog, and you get seen by all the members as well too. All right, now with this one, you just have to get ad credits, you just have to click on each ad, 10 of them, and then you'll get your credits for today. All right, also I wanted to show you, they have a built-in landing page maker, or landing page builder as well, and I'll show you mine. All right, just click on my landing page, and then what we're gonna do is launch editor. Go to template, and these are all the different templates, and this is the one I made so far. All right, we could edit it. I added my own, not my own, but I added a company logo that I'm a part of. All right, now that was the quick update. Now, if you're interested in getting started for free, just go ahead and click the link below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for viewing my channel.